This video is going to talk about the intrinsic value of options and explain exactly how to calculate it. So in the stock market, when you look at any given option, its value is comprised of exactly two components, the extrinsic value and the intrinsic value. This video is going to talk about the intrinsic value. To calculate it, you simply take the stock price for the underlying stock of that option and you subtract the strike price. And that gives you the intrinsic value. It can't be a negative number though. So if the stock price is below the strike price of the option you're considering, then the intrinsic value would just be zero. Here's an example. Imagine that you're considering an option for Apple. So Apple stock might be going for $105, and you might be looking at the 100 strike Apple option. It doesn't matter which expiration you're considering when it comes to calculating the intrinsic value of an option. So in this case, to get the intrinsic value, we simply take the stock price, which is $105, and subtract the strike of that option, which is 100. And that gives us an intrinsic value of $5. If the strike of the option you're looking at is $105, then the intrinsic value would be zero because the stock price minus the strike price would be 105 minus 105, and that would give you zero. If the strike was 110, then you would have the stock price 105 minus 110. That gives you a negative number. But intrinsic value is never going to be a negative number. The lowest number it can be is zero. So if you have cases where the stock price is lower than the strike, the intrinsic value would just be zero. This occurs for out-of-the-money options, for example. If you have any questions about options or their intrinsic values, you can contact us anytime. Our email address is support@stockmarketguides.com.